Hello everyone, I'm working on some boat fenders today. I got those fenders that I need to modify to work with these fenders. I need to bend back the mounts to make them factory straight. These fenders got hit in an accident, so I need to paint those black, fix up the mounting surfaces for them, and overall just get them working, make them look good for the trailer. Let's get to it. One fender torn apart. This fender mount is good. This fender mount is good. This fender mount is not good. Let's bend this back straight. And then this one's also not good. Let's bend that one back straight. Oh baby, it went right back. Absolutely beautiful. One done. This one got a little marred up a little bit more. Oh yeah! Perfect. This one goes on the rear. That's straight, that's straight. Oh, let's get some of the fenders modified. All right, I got it mocked up. Marking for the holes that I need to make for the mounting. Let's get the other side on now. This is frustrating. All right, I have remarked. There we go. Just had to configure that stuff in my mind a couple times. Cool. That'll work perfectly. Now let's do the next fender. Mark it out. Beautiful. Holes have enough room. I could put a big fender washer over it and kind of adjust anything, make it square on the trailer. Both sides are done. I need to cut this much off the fender. We'll do that right now. I got them cut. We'll make them smooth and then round everything off so it's not sharp corners. Next one. And I got fenders done. At least they're modified. I need to paint them this weekend. I need to get some marine carpet to rebuild those runners that go on the inside of the fenders. All the fender mounts are straightened. They're all good. I just need to paint the fenders, put new material on the backside for it, and then go install. But today's done. I'm on to the next. I got the fenders. I need to paint them. Let's get them clean, paint them black. Inside's done. Painted. Got some new fasteners, long enough to go through the bunk material and through the fender. You know, we're matching the top, match the bottom. 7/8, 2 7/8. Beautiful. Got it installed. One on. White to white, black to brown. I need bigger fender washers for the fenders, but I had to modify these again. The fender fits. We have enough room for everything to articulate. All right, well, I gotta run to Ace Hardware. Let's go. No. Perfect. Is it any thicker? No, way better. Okay, so I need 4, 8, 12, 16. Thank you, Ace. I got my fender washers. There's for the front, there's for the back. And we'll just double up the washers. Tight. Make sure we're straight. Straight to the tire. Bunk is on. He's going to put a little mat over the top of it. Beautiful. Driver's side's on. All right, I got fender in, and then I just need to bolt it. Everything looks good so far. Nice. All right, POV camera died, so we got to do it the other way. Tight, tight. Enough room for the suspension to work. Fender is straight. Oh, beautiful. Love it. All right, his front stop got a little bent, so I'm going to square this up, make it straight, and retighten everything down. I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this off, take it into the van, and then I can hammer on this right here. Let's go straighten this out. Straight. Oh yeah, we got to come up half an inch. Even, but a little bit of a wave. All right, passes the eyeball test. Needs to be rotated just a smidge. 3 5/8. 3 5/8. A little bit of a wave, but it's good for what it was, and that one's right on the money. Cool, I can go back on the trailer nice and easy. I was able to lift the front of the boat. Got my bottle jack under there with a 4x4, and then this is up now, and I can get this bow stop finally on there. Rubber is back on. Have enough room to put it where it was. The boat itself isn't straight, but everything else is straight. Yeah, when he gets the boat back in the water, he can get it straight onto the trailer again. All right, that's done. Seal failed. This one did not blow. And let's rebuild the hubs. Hubs are cleaned out. Let's get these races out. 6/8 111s. New races, 6/8 111. 44610 for the outer race. New races are smooth and packing bearings. All bearings packed. Inner bearings are in, and I'm going to double check, make sure these seals are 1/6/8 seals for this axle. They are 1/6/8 seals. They fit over there perfectly. Clean seal surface. And hubs are packed. 50. Back off. Tight. Back off one cancellation. Passenger side cotter pin is verified. 50. Hand finger tight and then back off a cancellation. Throw a cotter pin through. Driver side cotter pin verified. This is only a 4-wire, so it's left turn, right turn, and tail tag. Marker lights are on. Fender marker light is on. Rear through-way light bar. Left turn's on and working. Back to markers. Right turn's on and working. Marker front passenger is on, and marker on fender is on. All lights and wiring work. And torque and lug nuts. All lug nuts torqued. That's the rundown on that job. 2 new fenders that I had to fabricate and custom make, essentially. Painted in black. I straightened out his fender braces. Everything's bolted together. Everything's good. There is enough clearance for the suspension to work on the axle. Axle is serviced. I did bend the front stop of his trailer where his boat sits. And that's all nice and straight. Lights and wiring work. This job's done. I'm on to the next.